you each want to see. I am giving each of you one tree. After 6 months, I will see that whose plant is the best. The one who will have the most beautiful plant will be the next king. They went back and planted the seeds and took the best care of the seeds for 6 months. After 6 months, two brothers had beautiful plants in their pot with lovely flowers. The youngest brother's plant was plantless, although he cared for the plant and took the best care. He saw his brother's plant and was very sad. He was worried that what would he show to his father. After 6 months, the king called all his sons to show the plants. No, father, I'm really sorry. I tried my best for no plants in the pot. No, you should not be sorry. The seeds I gave to you and your brothers were dead and useless. Your brothers lied to me. The plants they have are from other seeds. When they saw that their plants were not growing, they planted another seed in their pot. But you were honest and told me the truth. And the best qualities of a king is that he should be honest. So, my dear son, you are the successor of the throne. The moral of this speech is, it is better to be honest than to cheat. And that honesty will bring real reward.